This Remax Realtec Group property video is presented by Christine Perkins. Don't miss out on this comfy updated countryside home. Open floor plan living room, kitchen and dining area, leading to large fenced-in yard. All newer paint and luxury vinyl wood flooring throughout the whole house, no carpeting. Newer refrigerator, ceramic cooktop stove. And ceiling fans. Newly remodeled guest bath, new large walk-in shower and master, 3 good-sized bedrooms and inside washer/dryer hookup closet, oversized 2-car garage with storage area. Large fenced-in backyard. Owner will permit one small dog up to 25 pounds with renter's insurance and pet liability insurance and vet record of shots and license. Refundable pet deposit of $300. Just minutes from shopping, movies, Westfield Countryside Mall, and restaurants. Easy access to major roads to Clearwater, Tampa and St. Pete. Just about 5 miles from Honeymoon Island and Kalidesi Island State Parks. Tenant occupied, please do not disturb. Pictures show home prior to tenants move in. Shown by appointment only. No exceptions. We do have a rental criteria that requires you must have a credit score of at least 600, no prior evictions, bankruptcies, collections, or felony convictions. Your income must be 2.5 times the monthly rent and verifiable along with a 2-year prior rental history to meet rental criteria.